Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we love sharing all things related to health and wellness. And today we're diving into a topic that's close to all of our hearts, quite literally. Chamomile, a magical flower for your heart. Now, before we begin, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're new here. We'd love to have you join our community. So without further ado, let's get started. Imagine waking up early in the morning, stepping out into a field filled with tiny white and yellow flowers, each one holding a secret for healing and tranquility. You pluck a few and crush them gently in your hands, releasing a sweet apple-like fragrance that fills the air. These are chamomile flowers, a common yet extraordinary plant that has been revered since ancient times. The word chamomile itself comes from the Greek words chaos, meaning earth, and melos, meaning apple. This is in reference to the flower's aroma that resembles the scent of fresh apples. But it's not just its smell that makes chamomile special. It's what lies within these petite blossoms. Chamomile contains a variety of compounds such as apigenin, which is responsible for its calming effect. For centuries, chamomile has been celebrated for its soothing touch. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans recognized its healing power and incorporated it into their daily lives. In ancient Egypt, it was dedicated to the sun god Ra because of its ability to alleviate fever and promote relaxation. While the ancient Greeks, under the guidance of Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used it to treat pain and calm the nerves. Even today, chamomile continues to be a vital part of traditional medicine systems worldwide. Its popularity is a testament to its enduring legacy as a natural remedy. In our modern world, where stress and ailments seem to lurk around every corner, it's comforting to know that nature has provided us with such an accessible and effective solution. The best part about chamomile is its accessibility. It can be found growing wild in many parts of the world and is also easily cultivated in home gardens. Its low-maintenance nature means that even novice gardeners can enjoy its growth. But why stop at growing it outside? You can bring a bit of chamomile magic indoors by growing it as a houseplant. Yes, you heard it right. Chamomile thrives indoors with minimal care. If you're wondering how to do it, we've got you covered. Check out our detailed guide on how to grow chamomile indoors. You'll find everything you need to know to turn your home into a chamomile haven. All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of chamomile and uncover its secrets. So now that we've learned a little bit about the history of chamomile, let's talk about its benefits. Chamomile is a true gem in the world of natural healing. It offers a plethora of health benefits that have been recognized for centuries. Let's take a closer look at some of its most notable ones. First up, chamomile is a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is your body's way of responding to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. Chamomile, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help soothe inflammation, bringing much-needed relief to those who suffer from conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Next, chamomile is fantastic for digestion. Digestive issues can be a real pain, both literally and figuratively. From bloating and indigestion to more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, digestive woes can affect anyone. Chamomile has a soothing effect on the digestive tract, helping to calm these symptoms and bring a sense of relief. Stress and anxiety are part of life, but chamomile offers a helping hand. Its relaxing properties can help calm the mind, easing anxiety and promoting better sleep. Whether you're redealing with the hustle and bustle of everyday life or struggling with more serious mental health concerns, chamomile can be a valuable ally. Did you know that chamomile is also great for your skin? Yes, you heard it right. Chamomile can work wonders on your complexion, making it smoother and clearer. Its antibacterial properties make it effective in treating acne and other skin infections. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe conditions like eczema and psoriasis. So not only does it nourish your body from within, but it also brings radiance to your skin. Another amazing benefit of chamomile is its ability to strengthen the immune system. Our immune system is our body's defense mechanism against illnesses and diseases. Keeping it strong is crucial for our overall health. Chamomile is rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can help boost the immune system, making our bodies more resilient against infections. Finally, let's talk about chamomile's benefits for heart health. Heart disease is a leading cause of death globally, but incorporating chamomile into your routine can be a step towards a healthier heart. Chamomile has been shown to reduce blood pressure and improve blood flow, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. There you have it, just a glimpse into the myriad ways chamomile can enhance our well-being. It's a true natural wonder that deserves a place in our lives. So why not start today and experience the magic of chamomile for yourself? Now let's discuss some of the conditions that chamomile can help with. Chamomile isn't a cure-all, but it's a wonderful companion on your path to wellness. Here are some conditions where chamomile can offer soothing relief. If you suffer from chronic digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease, chamomile can be your go-to remedy. Its antispasmodic properties relax the smooth muscles in your gut, easing cramps and promoting healthy digestion. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a happier gut. Insomnia, keeping you up at night, chamomile can help. This natural sedative calms your nerves and promotes relaxation, making it easier to drift off to dreamland. With chamomile by your side, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Anxiety and mental agitation can be overwhelming, but chamomile offers a calming embrace. Its anxiolytic properties help reduce feelings of anxiety, bringing a sense of tranquility to your busy mind. Whether it's exam stress or everyday worries, chamomile can help you find peace. Migraines can be debilitating, but chamomile might offer some relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially easing migraine pain and frequency. While it won't stop migraines completely, chamomile can be a helpful addition to your migraine toolkit. Menstrual cramps can be a real pain, but guess what? Chamomile has your back. Its antispasmodic properties help relax the muscles in your uterus, reducing cramps and bringing comfort during that time of the month. Eczema and other forms of dermatitis can be itchy and uncomfortable, but chamomile can soothe the irritation. Its anti-inflammatory properties calm the affected area, bringing relief and promoting faster healing. Apply a chamomile compress to your skin and feel the soothing sensation. Mouth inflammation and sore throat got you down? Chamomile can help. Gargle with a chamomile tea to alleviate pain and reduce inflammation in your throat. Its antibacterial properties can also help fight off infections, promoting faster recovery. There you have it, a quick look at how chamomile can be a natural remedy for various common ailments. Remember, while chamomile is a powerful ally, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for any serious condition. As we wrap up our journey into the world of chamomile, we want to leave you with a few special recipes that showcase its versatility and effectiveness. These traditional recipes, passed down through generations, are a testament to the enduring legacy of chamomile. Our first recipe is a classic, the soothing bedtime infusion. The simple yet powerful drink is perfect for those looking to wind down after a long day. All you need is 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers and 250 megaliters of hot water. Let the chamomile steep in the hot water for about 10 minutes, then strain and sip. You can add a dash of honey to sweeten the flavor. This infusion is not only delicious, but also promotes relaxation and better sleep. Next, we have a recipe that's great for post-meal relaxation and digestion. It's the chamomile and honey digestive tea. After a heavy meal, your body needs some extra TLC to aid digestion. This is where chamomile shines once again. Mix 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers with a spoonful of raw honey and a few mint leaves and 250 megaliters of hot water. Let it brew for about 5 minutes, then enjoy. The honey adds a touch of sweetness, while the mint provides a refreshing twist. This tea is perfect for calming your stomach and aiding digestion. Last, but certainly not least, we have a unique recipe that's excellent for soothing irritated skin. It's the chamomile and aloe vera lotion. This cooling lotion is perfect for soothing sunburns, insect bites, and minor cuts. In a pan, mix 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Strain the mixture and let it cool. Once cooled, apply the lotion to the affected area using a cotton pad. You can store any leftover lotion in the refrigerator for up to a week. And there you have it. 3 amazing chamomile recipes to incorporate into your daily routine. These recipes are not only simple to make, but also pack a punch of health benefits. As we conclude our exploration of the magical world of chamomile, we hope we've inspired you to incorporate this humble flower into your life. From its soothing touch to its incredible health benefits, chamomile is truly a gift from nature. Whether you prefer sipping on a calming tea or applying a soothing lotion, There are plenty of ways to harness the power of chamomile. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with friends who might also find solace in the magic of chamomile. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and may the soothing essence of chamomile be with you always.